How to solve Google circumventing system ban solutions. It's a very simple solution. You do as per what Google says. Don't try to be clever. Don't try to outsmart the system. Don't go against Google's policies. Do whatever Google says to do. You will not get suspended. If your account does get suspended and you in your belief you've not done anything wrong, make an appeal. Sometimes it takes a little bit of a time, a few weeks, but they will come back to you and they will say yes, your account is unsuspended, or no, you have broken Google's policies. They will not tell you. That's the only frustrating thing, that even by mistake you may have done something which suspended your account. So that is the only frustrating thing, that they will not tell you so that you can rectify it. But you should know what you are doing, and what you are not doing in your account. So play the game. It's Google's playground, and we play as per Google's rules.